Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Hope you've been enjoying the learning process and learning new things, trying on your own. All right, so on my screen, what you see are the two charts that we left last time. Uh, I have gone ahead and added the site ID as I said last time. I'll do that as a homework. You can do these things easily now using measures, quick measures that I showed you in the last video. Okay, so our main goal is still converting this date manual selector to an automated button selector, which is a longer process that we'll do soon. But before we go there, what I want to discuss today is, let's say you have a business problem of analyzing these charts, but you also want to understand where are the outliers automatically. How do we do that? So I'll show you a quick way today. Okay, so click on the chart, go to the visualization pane, and we've been using the first one, that is build visual, format your visual, but we haven't gone here yet. Add further analysis to your visual. So let's click there. Because this chart is a basic line chart, it has these extra things that you could do. So you'll notice two things: forecast and anomalies. Let's switch on anomalies. uh, okay, and let's do the same for the chart below. Okay, so let's keep going, uh, and let's change, let's say, a diamond, and let's be very specific that we want to see red outliers. Okay, so let's see if we can find an instance where there are any outliers. I'll probably, oh, there you go. You can see that the PM10 pollutant value, which had a huge outlier on that date, which is, yeah, which is going against the normal trend that we've been observing. So yeah, so generally the detection method for outliers depends on some statistics, which we can discuss as well. But I think Parvia has its own method, which it's doing the outlier detection, but it's pretty useful here. So what I'll do is I'll do the same formatting for this chart, and let's say put a diamond here, and I will put a red one here. So you can see what it's done is found an outlier there. Probably should have done outlier there as well. So we can look into how to optimize the outlier detection as well. Um, so that's a quick way to do that. Once we are through with this, we'll start discussing dates, and it's a longer process. I'll walk you through that, and we'll complete the whole project. Thanks, guys.